Welcome to a multi-layered, stimulating sensory design experience. This custom-designed estate is located in the heart of Rockland County, just 40 minutes from NYC, and is completely renovated from the beams up. Nestled on almost 2 acres of manicured grounds with a glass patio currently being installed. The grand entrance is an exploration of material, color and forms with decor details by Kelly Wearstler and Philip Jeffries' collections with impressive sweeping backlit staircase. West/over 6,000 plus square feet of living space, this work of art boasts an office, a den/library with custom gas fireplace and built-ins. The huge foyer leads you to formal dining room with gold leaf ceiling and a butler's bar that needs no introduction. Floor-to-ceiling windows and chevron wood floor in living room, moldings throughout. The chef's kitchen combines style and functionality with beautiful marble hood, Wolf and Viking ovens, 2 warming drawers, Wolf cooktop, built-in Miele coffee machine, microwave drawer, Sub-Zero wine fridge, Sub-Zero fridge panels and huge walk-in pantry. Family room off kitchen boasts a gas fireplace and exposed beams. Main floor has a full guest suite featuring 3 guest bedroom and 2 full BTH. Upstairs level includes 3 bedroom, bath and a magnificent master bedroom suite with 2 walk-in closets and spa-like bathroom. Fully finished, walkout basement features a big entertaining room/family room, a theater room, gym and 3 additional bedroom and 3 bath. Mud room. Recessed LED lights throughout, full house AV, security camera system, smart house monitor, etc. So much to see and experience in this home. Built for the most discerning of buyers, this is the pinnacle of design, material and technology. https://u2.b/p90jhk6qq8